What's the meaning of blood orange? Blood orange. Blood orange.
Blood orange. Blood orange. Blood orange is a type of orange fruit that features deep red flesh. The name blood comes from the intense color of the juice and the flesh, which can range from a dark red to a deep maroon. This color comes from the presence of anthocyanins, a type of pigment typically found in berries and other fruits. Blood oranges are rich in vitamin C, folate, fiber, and antioxidants. They have a tangy yet sweet flavor that is often used in cooking and baking, especially in desserts and salads. Blood oranges are also often used to make juices, marmalades, and even cocktails.